Hello everyone, today we will start last question number 2. See, I already upload this video, after that I cut this question number 2. Why? Some students call me, sir, that in my book this is given. Some call me that in book this is given. Okay, see, if you consider this question, then the correct answer is this. Okay, but in your book the answer is given different. Okay, so according to that answer the correct question is this. Okay, so cut this question. Okay, and the correct question is this. Okay, let's start with this question. Very easy. See, in what the problem in this question, we are starting from n is equal to 1 2 3 4, but here I am starting n is equal to 0, from 0. Here also 1, here also 1, here also 1. So correct pattern is from n is equal to 1. Okay, so let's do. Everyone knows here, if you put n is equal to 1, then this will come 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, 6 2. If you put n is equal to 2, second term 4 4 minus 1 3. Okay, if you start to do third term, n is equal to 3 3 to just 6 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 100 term, I already told how to do. 2 into 100 minus 1, that is 200 minus 1, that is 199. Okay, so here 199. Now see this pattern, n is equal to 1, then first term is 5. If n is equal to 2, okay, 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, so the second term is 8. Now fifth term, 3 into 5 plus 2, okay, that is 15 plus 2, that is 17. Okay, so here the answer is 17. Now 10 term, 3 into 10 plus 2, that is 30 plus 2, that is 32. Okay, so here 32. And 100 term, 3 into 100 plus 2, that is 300 plus 2, this is equal to 302. Okay, so here 302. Okay, so similarly here fifth term, 5 for the 20 20 plus 1 21. Okay, 10 term, 10 for the 40 and 40 plus 1 41. Now 100 term, 10 for the 400 400 plus 1 401. Okay, here fifth term, 7 5s are 35 35. Fifth term, 7 5s are 35 35 plus 20, that is 55. Okay, 10 term, 10 7s are 70 and 70 plus 20 90. Okay, 100 term, 100 into 7 700 plus 20 720. Okay, now here n is square plus 1, so fifth term 5, here 5 is square plus 1, that is 25 plus 1, that is 26. Okay, and 10th term, 10 square plus 1, that is 100 plus 1, that is 101. Okay, so here 101. Okay, so you write this question. Okay, if you in your book here given 2 5 8 11, so cut it and write 5 8 11 and 14. Okay, now let's start. Try these. Okay, very easy. Try these in this chapter. Okay, so page number 230 and 231, that is your homework. Only you have to find the terms and coefficient. Okay, you see, if any confusion in this, try this. You can also ask to me. Okay, now come to the 233. This is also very easy question. Group the like terms together from the following. Okay, first see without what variables. Okay, so 12 minus 25 and 1. Now with x, 12x, okay, here minus 25x, okay, this is also here x. Now y minus 25y, okay, 12y and y, okay. So this is one group of like term, here second and here third, okay. Only you have to group the like terms together from the following, okay. This is given and you have to group it, okay. Second, try these. Okay, next question, classify the following expression as a monomial, a binomial or a trinomial, okay. These expressions are given, okay. So monomials, first monomials which have what, only one term, okay. So a, okay, here xy, okay, here 7, okay. So these are monomials. Now see, no other monomials are there now, okay. After that binomials, okay. Now binomials which have two terms, so this a plus b, okay, here 3 term, here 2 term, okay. xy plus 5, here 3 term, here 3 term, here 3 term, here 2 term, okay. So 4mn plus 7, okay. Now trinomials, okay. Trinomials, now trinomials 3 term, so this ab plus a plus b, okay. After that this have how many terms, 3 terms, 5x square minus x plus 2, okay. This is also, okay, 4pq minus 3q plus 5p, okay. And this is also a trinomial, 4m minus 7n plus 10, okay. So you already classified monomials, binomials and trinomials. One expression is left, okay. This is neither monomial, neither binomials, neither trinomial, okay. Now come to the next, try these. You also comment in the description box, okay, what is this. If this is neither what, monomial nor binomial nor trinomials, then what is this, okay. Now come to the next, try this. Page number 236 and page number 245 is your homework, okay, very easy. Now come to the page 238, okay, very simple. This is also very simple. In this chapter, try these are very simple, very easy, okay. Add and subtract, only you have to add and subtract. First addition of these two, m plus n plus m plus n, okay. Now open the bracket, m plus n plus m plus n, okay. M plus m 2m, n plus n 2n, okay. Take 2 common, 2m plus n, okay. So this is answer, okay. Now subtract m plus n minus m plus n. Okay, it's equal to m plus n minus, okay, multiply minus inside, minus m, here minus 1 into what, minus n, that will become minus n. Okay, m minus m plus n minus n, m minus m 0, n minus n 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 0. Okay, so the answer is 0. Okay, now second one is also very easy. First add mn plus 5 minus 2 plus mn plus 3. Okay, now here mn plus 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay, plus mn plus 3. Now open the bracket, mn plus 3 plus mn plus 3. Okay, mn plus mn, mn plus mn, okay, plus 3, and here 2mn plus 6. Okay, this is your answer. After that, subtract these two. Okay, mn plus 5 minus 3 minus mn plus 3. Okay, now here mn plus, sorry, here 2 is given in the question. Okay, see here 5 minus 2. Okay, here 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay, minus mn plus 3, here mn plus 3 minus mn minus 3. Okay, here mn minus mn, okay, plus 3 minus 3. Okay, so here mn minus mn, that is 0, and 3 minus 3, that is 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, so very easy chapter. Okay, now this chapter is completed. If you have any query, okay, ask me in the comment box. Okay, now thank you.